From beginner formulators to our graduates who've launched brands, the Formula Botanica community is defying the traditional way of doing things in the cosmetics industry. And nowhere is this more evident than in their home lab spaces. When we put out a call to our community to share a behind-the-scenes look at just where they formulate, we were amazed at how enterprising our volunteers were and at the variety of their labs. We've got students now turned skincare entrepreneurs who once formulated on the move, from a suitcase in hotels in one case, and from a mobile camper van in another. We've got students who've converted home gyms and spare bedrooms, and one who invested retirement funds into setting up a very professional cosmetic manufacturing lab. This is the joy of being an indie formulator. Your passion and persistence can get you going, and barriers to entry can be low. There is only a small list of essential equipment that you need when you first start out. We've been led to believe that cosmetics need to be made in sophisticated commercial manufacturing labs, but that isn't mostly the case, as you'll see in the following film. You'll go behind the scenes into the labs of some of our students and graduates. From India to the Republic of Ireland, from California to the UK, Formula Botanica students across the world are inspiring each other, innovating and changing the way that cosmetics are made.